Wonderful location on a cul-de-sac in Myrtle Point with a nicely kept manufactured home on 0.20 of an acre. Built in 1993 with approximately 1,350 square feet, 3-bed/2 bath, nice kitchen with appliances, dining area, large open living room, great floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on one end and master suite on the other end of home, electric forced air heat, covered front porch entryway and covered deck on back of home, detached double garage with additional workshop on the back of it and mostly fenced yard.